As community staff, you have a lot of plates in the air. You acclimate new move-ins and help move out transitions. You manage calendars, menus, and activities for residents. You keep the lines of communications open between residents, families, and staff. You try to keep residents interested in new programs and activities. You manage new and existing staff and make sure they're engaged in working to provide the best care. It can all seem a little overwhelming, but there is a solution. Connected Living is a comprehensive program that brings those plates together. We provide tools on one unified platform that help you run your business more efficiently so you can focus on the things that matter most, your residents and their families. We provide all the training you and your staff need, programming and tools to help engage your community, and constant support from the Connected Living Center team. Connected Living will set up your computer lounge so your community will be digitally enabled. Our social platform, the Connected Living Network, or CLN, allows you to seamlessly create, edit, and distribute calendars, menus, and newsletters, community photos, videos, resources, and more, all with the click of a button. The Connected Living Administrative Dashboard lets you send messages and alerts, conduct surveys, and collect valuable data that will allow your community to run more efficiently. By offering this complete package to your residents and your family members, you differentiate yourself from the competition and ultimately attract new move-ins. Train your staff with our e-learning tools, and by keeping employees involved and engaged with the latest technology, you'll find fewer turnovers and greater loyalty with a happier staff. For your residents and family members, we offer simple and secure email, which gives everyone an email address so families can stay connected. The Connected Living Network engages residents with easy-to-use video chat, photo albums, memoir writing tools, music, and much, much more. Connected Living provides the expertise, training, and support to make it all happen. And now you can spend more time with residents, families, and prospects. Connected Living, it all works together.